the return line again. I already replaced that one, the white one. Now we gotta do this. Okay, so we got it fixed. I know it's supposed to go under and around, but I didn't have enough. So hopefully that'll do when it moves. It kind of moves with it. Hopefully, and that's good. I think it was the cooking oil that breaks it down. Yeah, breaks down these hoses maybe. So it's been, I would say, 7 or 8 years since I changed them. So who knows? Probably about 200,000 miles. They probably need to be changed. So now I've gotten this one changed and this one changed and this one now. And I just ordered more hose because I definitely don't have much left. And so looks to be okay. We will soon find out.